Čuje se čudno.
Nemam bolji, aj počinjemo. Stisnuo sam ovo live. Okay, Željko, I think we are live now. So, I guess you can start.
Yes, we are live now, but I guess maybe we should wait for a couple of minutes before more people join. Right now it's 1 minute till 5.
So maybe they can just confirm.
Okay?
Yeah, if they can confirm they hear us okay.
Hello?
Yes, so I think they can maybe confirm if they hear us okay.
Yes. Codex, can you confirm if you hear us okay?
Željko, do you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, I can see
Yes,
somebody.
I can hear you okay.
Blaine, confirm they hear us okay.
Yeah, I see some people.
Hello, everyone.
Okay, yeah. Hello.
Okay, so I guess we can also...
Please bear with us, maybe. Yeah, let's wait a minute or two.
Željko, do you want just to post on Twitter? So maybe more people join.
Sure.
Or maybe I can just second.
Yes, you can do that as well. Let's wait a minute or two.
Željko, do you want just... Okay. Okay, I post on Twitter.
Okay, sounds good. Let's wait 1 more minute and then we can start.
Yeah, sounds good.
Hello, blank. Hello, guys.
Hello everyone.
Thanks for joining. So I guess we can start now, and hopefully more people will join in the meantime.
Okay.
So basically, the purpose of today's AMA is to tell you more about Prophet AI launch, tell you more about Prophet's AI NFTs and what's the purpose of those NFTs. As many of you probably know, we have sent a newsletter today with more details in regards to those NFTs. So basically, whoever purchases one of those NFTs will be granted 1 full year membership of SafuNet which will include all of our functionalities, including Prophet AI, which will help you when it comes to daily trading, monthly trading, or any kind of trading you do on various platforms. We think that Prophet AI will be a great tool for all of you, considering that its ability to predict around 70% of prices for crypto based on various factors, news APIs that we are generating from different kinds of sources, as well as markets historical data. When it comes to NFTs, by purchasing those NFTs, you basically get, like I said, 1 year subscription of SafuNet like instantly, and then you will be able to use them alongside default SafuNet's wallet functionalities. As you probably know, we also plan to implement different kinds of functionalities within Prophet AI, where you'll be able to set up automated bots that can help you buy certain crypto coins before they explode, based on different news sources. Recently, we had similar news event when it comes to Ripple. So basically, if you're not reading online stuff in regards to crypto, Prophet AI will be able to send you notifications that it's now the best time to buy certain coins based on different kinds of news factors, such as was Ripple's case, I think 2 days ago, when the price skyrocketed to, I think, close to, was it like 100%? I'm not 100% sure. And other important factors, which so far were around 70% accurate, and we're hoping to increase that accuracy up to 80% eventually, because AI models will learn over time, as you all know. So yeah, that's a brief introduction with regards to Prophet AI. And if you have any kind of questions in regards to Prophet AI NFTs, feel free to shoot them, and we'll give you. I can't hear you now.
Okay, thank you, Željko. So basically I wanted also to show you our research which we did currently for the Prophet AI, and to see what we was able to accomplish. So basically this is I will not go much in technical details, but I will explain you as simple as possible so you understand where are we now with the Prophet AI. So this is my research. So here are data which I gathered from different sources, and for this I have another research, but you can see here data, all data which are gathered, and then I'm doing here a lot of different pre-processing to be able to do predictions. So when we doing these predictions, we taking a lot of different data. For example, we taking this basic market data, as for example prices, open, low, high, and volume, and also we taking a lot of different indicators. As you see here, we have 217 data points. For example, we have here volume, different kind of volumes. We have here moving average signals. We have MAC signals, SMA signals. We have also this algorithm picking also this different kind of best signals. And also on top of that, we taking this news data. So basically all this 200 columns, and I think around 7,000 rows are fed into AI algorithm. So then I'm doing different kind of pre-processing data of this. For example, you can see example of one news data which we have. For example, these are all different kind of titles from different kind of news. For example, you can see here is from cryptoinsider.com some news. Here is news from some news.com newspaper. Then newsbtc.com. So there are a lot of kind of different news where we picking data and then feeding into this machine learning algorithm. For machine learning or AI algorithm, we using like a similar model like ChatGTP. So basically, ChatGTP is created to perform only on textual data. But what we did is basically created model which combines this textual data and numeric data, and then it's combined everything together, and that's how we was able to accomplish to get this high precision. Because also ChatGTP using that multi-head attention, which allow ChatGTP to perform such a good prediction about next word in the sentence. But in our case, instead of just predicting new words in sentence, our model basically looking into numerical data and it looking into textual data, and based on that giving us predictions. So basically here is where we training model, and as you see from this it's have like around like 68% accuracy, and it's only about on three epochs. But it's if we would train a little bit more and on more sample of data, it would give around 70 and something. So I can also show you now like how it perform on validation and test data. You can see on test data actually have around 69 accuracy, and on it's around 1,500 samples of data. And here is on validation data. It's same, have around 69 accuracy. So here you can see how well it perform. For example, it's like when it needs to predict label 1, actually to buy token, it missed only 74 times, but it hit correct 166. And here you can see when it needs to sell, it hit it correctly 886 times, and only missed 385 times. So you can see this, it is much better than if it would be if you're doing just random guesses. And actually it performed very good. So what else I want to show also, for example, these are wholly new data. And on wholly new data, it's managed to predict, to have accuracy 65%. 65%. And I created also some bot like which would use these 200 samples, and as you see here I put it initially around $100,000, and on the end it made profit 232 for only 50 days. So on this bot you will be also able to put like certainty. If for example model is certain 90% it needs to buy, then in that case you can say yeah, in that case you need to buy. or if model is, for example, sure 80% to sell, you can then tell model to in that case to sell. So basically that's all what I wanted to show regarding Prophet AI. So for this, it's very resource intensive. As you see now, it's using around 33 gigabytes of RAM and a AHA 100 graphic card to train, and it took around, I don't know, maybe around few hours to train. And not only that, we would need also to have servers to run somewhere this model, because it's very resource intensive. So if we manage to sell these NFTs, we will put this model to train on this hosting. So as you see, it's around $2 per hour what we need, and it would like maybe for 1 year it would take around maybe $20,000 to have this hosting. And second things we need is that this news API, so we can like quickly take this the best news and feed inside the model. So yes, so basically that's what I wanted to show. Is there any maybe questions, or so we are here to answer. Željko, do you have anything to add?
Yes, we have one question. Is Prophet AI NFTs live? It will be live after this call. So Vlado will share the link on Twitter, Telegram, and other social media platforms of Reflecto. Yes, it requires a lot of resources, but it'll be worth it.
Computational, very resourceful. It needs a lot of resources for the model to train and also to run. But as you see, it's everything custom. It is not, for example, something which everyone can have. So basically, it needs a lot of research and a lot of development to create something like this.
Yeah, that's correct. Do you maybe have some additional questions as well? Will I be able to use Reflecto AI with SafuNet++?
Yes, so basically Reflecto is also Reflecto AI is available also in basic plan, so you don't need SafuNet++ for Reflecto.
So in other words, think of SafuNet++ as a full package. So every single functionality that we have built so far will be included in SafuNet++.
Yes, so we basically require this package for SafuNet++ because it's these features are very resource intensive, and we are not able to host it if we don't have any support for it.
Okay, I guess if you don't have any additional questions, maybe we can conclude today's call. What do you think, Juan?
Yeah. Okay, I think we can wait a minute or two, and then if there is no question, we can just conclude.
Okay. Thanks.
Thank you.
Much appreciated. We love you too. Yeah. A lot of work is going into this, so yeah. But we believe that's the reason why SafuNet is a unique product on the market today. I
Yeah,
mean, as you all know, you have traditional crypto wallets where you can just trade and exchange coins, and that's about it. You don't have a lot of additional functionalities. So we see SafuNet as a crypto platform which utilizes AI and many other crypto aspects,
yeah, and
which will be helpful for all involved.
yeah, I agree, and it's a unique platform. It's not
Any
just
thoughts about the monthly price of SafuNet?
yeah. Yeah, it's also unique platform. It's not like
Yes.
just copycat like you see on
So we have one more question.
uh-huh. Go ahead, Željko.
I think we have a question. Any thoughts about the monthly price of SafuNet Plus Plus? It's still not 100% set in stone when it comes to monthly pricing. We're still juggling with a couple of options, but we'll let you know
Yeah,
pretty soon when it
but
comes to
it will be
that monthly
much
price.
the price will be less than it's now NFT price, so that's for sure. Yeah, so I also wanted to add something to that what you said, Željko. So SafuNet is not only just regular copycat, like copy, like a wallet, like you see everywhere, like everything same. You have like same wallet, same like extensions, same things. So basically, SafuNet is totally different than anything you can find on market. And it's more powerful because we can do a lot of different stuff that other wallets cannot do.
Mm-hmm. Are you also showing Prophet AI in action?
I
No,
just
not today.
but I already I showed this my research, so maybe from that you can see how it performed. I don't know if you like from us from the beginning, but I shown like here my research. As you see, for example, here is the model, and here is results from new data. So basically, on 50 days, it's made like profit about $232 on 100 invested. And I show also example of data which we're using for Prophet AI. We have around 217 columns of data. It includes different kind of market data and also different indicators and signals. On top of it, we're using also data from different kind of news, and we feeding that everything in our model here. Yeah, here, and basically, as you see here, just to find it's have like 69% of almost 70% accuracy on test data, and similar like that on validation data. And here is example also how well it performed. So basically, this is confusion matrix. So as you see, 74 time it miss to predict buy signal, but 166 times it predicted correctly. So it's basically almost more than half time it's predicted correct signal. And similar for sell signal as well. You see 886 time it predicted well. So similar here, it's basically predict accuracy on totally new data. these are totally new sample of data. I have 200 new sample of data. And on the new data, it predicted 65% time correctly. It have 65% correct accuracy. And as you see, I put it then on the live trading, like not live, but on this sample of new data, I put it to trade, and it give us like from initial $100, after 50 days we get like 1,200. So in profit we are 232. For API, we will also have some packages for API. So probably we already created this OAuth protocol, so we will use this for our OAuth protocol to share our features. Željko, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you okay. I guess there aren't any additional questions for today.
Mm-hmm.
We answered the last one. Will there be an API limit if I wanted to use SafuNet's API with my app? Well, I guess we can conclude today's call.
Yeah, I agree.
Again, thanks for showing up, and Vlad will post the link to NFTs shortly after this call.
Yeah, thanks everyone. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, bye.